Very much. The heavy rain resulted in evacuations. This was the scene on Huffine Road in Johnson City. Bright Ridge has said just moments ago that there are a lot of customers without power on Huffine Road, and they're saying now it's going to take until after the water recedes before they can start to restore power.
Kristen Gallant has been on that scene for hours, looking at the flooding and where emergency team members rescued people and pets from their homes.
We've moved both of our news vehicles. We were on Todd Drive and now we are in Carmel Village at the top of the hill here. While we were on Todd Drive, we could see the water rising as we were there. They've actually closed Todd Drive now. EMS was knocking on several doors in that community, telling people to pack up and leave before it got even worse. In the area for 11 years. She said her shed, which is about 4 feet away from her house, had water coming into it. She decided to pack up herself and her animals and get to drier land.
I am going to leave. I've got small pets and I just don't think I could feel better leaving.
Now between those trees over there, you can actually see that there was a car over there. It's still there, but you can't see it now. It hasn't stopped raining here, and we are sure to see that the waters are going to continue to rise. But for now, in Washington County, in Carmel Village, live, Kristen Gallant, News Channel 11, in your corner.